This is how to crochet the granny square part 2. To go back to part 1, just follow the comment. We just finished our first row and now we're going to slip stitch to the first corner. So I'm going to insert my hook into the first stitch there and then into the second. And then my third slip stitch is going to go directly into that big gap. From there, I'm going to chain 3 for my first double crochet. And then I'm going to add 2 more double crochet into that same gap. And that'll be my first set of 3 double crochet. Then I'm going to chain 2 for my first corner. And then add 3 more double crochet into that same spot. And that'll complete my first corner piece. After my last double crochet, I'm going to chain 1. And then I'll add another corner section into the next gap. So each corner is going to have 3 double crochet, 2 chains, 3 more double crochet, and then I'm going to chain 1 to get from one corner to the next. If you like these kind of close-up stitch tutorials, be sure to like and follow. I post them every single day on my page. And if you have any questions about this stitch or another stitch, you can leave a comment on any of my videos, and if I can't answer your question in words, I'll make a video response to it. So here's my second corner. I'm going to chain 1 and go to my third corner. And again, it's going to be 3 double crochet, 2 chains, and 3 more double crochet. After my fourth corner, I'm going to chain 1, and then I'm going to slip stitch into the top of the chain 3, just like I did at the end of row 1. This time I'm picking up 2 other loops, and part 3 will be in the comments.